Hi, my name is Lilia. I'm a professional organizer, and today I'm going to show you how I organize a drawer. So the drawer I'm going to organize today is what I call my desk drawer. Even though it's not a part of my desk, it's a part of this separate drawer unit that I have right behind my desk. I keep your typical supplies that you use at your desk in this drawer. And when this drawer is a mess and disorganized, it just creates a stressful work environment. If I'm on a phone call and I need a pen and a piece of paper, I can't get to it quickly, so it just causes stress. Not to mention, when you open a drawer like this and it looks all chaotic, it makes you feel chaotic. So why does this happen with a drawer? And it could be any kind of drawer. It could be your desk drawer, a junk drawer in your kitchen, your dresser drawer, any kind of drawer. It happens when we haven't been intentional about what we're storing in that drawer and how we are using that drawer. We all know the saying, a place for everything and everything in its place. And that starts by being intentional about where each item in our home or office lives. We should even be intentional about the name of the drawer. I call my drawer my office desk drawer. So in my mind, what lives in there is what I need when I'm at my desk. And that's all that lives in there. There shouldn't be other things in that drawer that I wouldn't be using in this area. Or how about a junk drawer? Most people have a drawer in their kitchen that they call their junk drawer, but by calling it that, that's what starts to live in that drawer, is a whole lot of junk. And we usually don't even know what it is that's in there. So we can't find the items we're looking for, and there's random stuff in there that doesn't even belong in that room and we never use in that room. So all you have to do is plan, what do we want to use that drawer for? And the last reason a drawer becomes a cluttered mess is because we're probably not using a drawer organizer to separate the different categories of what's being kept in that drawer. All right, let's get started. So the first thing that we need to do is to come up with the identity of the drawer. So this is my office, and what I'm going to keep in this drawer is going to help me while I am doing my work in this space. And when it comes to a junk drawer in your kitchen, it is very helpful to come up with a new name for it. Instead of calling it the junk drawer, call it your utility drawer or your tool drawer. And then only keep in that drawer the things that are going to be helpful to you in that space. Next, take everything out of the drawer. Then clean the drawer. I'm going to make sure that I get all the crumbs or any spills out of this drawer. Next, decide what is going to be kept in this drawer. In my drawer, I have decided to keep Post-it notes, a pen, a pencil, a highlighter, the two Sharpie sizes that I use the most, paper clips, binder clips, erasers, correction tape, lens wipes, stamps, a scissors, a ruler, my stapler, my quick sort for when I'm sorting through paperwork, lip balm, a pack of gum and a pack of mints, and my sunglasses. Next, take a flexible tape measure and measure the inside of the drawer. Measure the drawer from side to side, front to back, and make sure that you measure the depth of your drawer so that the organizer you buy will be able to fit inside. Okay, now is the fun part. You get to shop for a drawer organizer. There are 3 points to keep in mind when shopping for your drawer organizers. The first are the measurements. Will the drawer organizer or organizers fit into the drawer? The second thing to remember is to know what you're going to be storing in the drawer and how much room that item or that category of items is going to be taking up, because you want whatever drawer organizer you buy to be able to accommodate what you're going to be storing in the drawer. The third thing is drawer organizers come in all sorts of materials and colors, so pick one that goes along with your style and that you're going to enjoy looking at every time you open that drawer. So the drawer organizers that I bought are the clear acrylic drawer organizers. These go along with my style and they're just an aesthetic that I really enjoy. Once you have your organizer, install it into your drawer. There are 2 easy ways to keep your drawer organizer in place once it's inside your drawer so that when you open and close it, it doesn't slide around and shift. One product that I like to use is the skid-proof shelf liners. You can cut that to the size of your drawer, lay that down in the bottom, and then put your drawer organizers on top. That way your organizers won't slide, and any larger items that you don't need to have in an organizer will also stay in place on the shelf liner. Another product I like to use is called Clear Museum Gel. It's just a tacky gel. It's removable and reusable. You just take out a small amount and stick it underneath on the 4 corners of the drawer organizer and push it down into the drawer, and it makes a nice seal and also keeps your drawer organizer from shifting around. And now for the fun part, you get to put everything away in its new space. All right, and let's have a quick tour. Now I have my Post-it notes, my pen that I use the most, a pencil, a highlighter, my 2 common most Sharpies, paper clips, binder clips, lens wipes, erasers, correction tape, lip balm, a ruler, my quick sort, a stapler, scissors, gum and mints, my glasses case, and some stamps. And as a little bonus, you can see my electronics drawer as well. I used the same drawer organizers for this. And now things like chargers and headphones are all stored neatly, and I can find them without the cords becoming a rat's nest in this drawer. Well, that's it. If you liked this video and found it to be helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. You can see more videos like this when I upload them. And if you're interested in my organizing services, please visit my website, adorganizing.com. Thanks again for watching. Bye.